Welcome to my review of the Duracell LED lantern 1000 lumens. So I saw this a couple of years ago. It was only like 10 bucks. Now in 2022, you can find this at Costco or eBay or maybe even Amazon. 15 bucks. So should you get it? So it has four different modes. 1000 lumens, 250, 65, and the warning lights. And this does not come with battery. It has a USB slot for you to charge other stuff or charge the battery inside. So you can use rechargeable battery or alkaline batteries. It's a thing that I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it back in 2020, because my friends have all these camping equipments. I don't need it, but what if it's just by myself? Camping equipment, emergency, power outage, end of the world scenario. You know what happened now in 2022. Having lights at night instantly is essential. So this has three different modes, so you can toggle. Very bright, 1000 lumen. Click again, 250. Click one more time. What is it, 65? And one more is kind of like emergency blinking, which is good. It's supposed to be IP65, or what is it called? Water resistance. It required 4 D batteries. Now the problem with this is D batteries, pack of 4. If it's alkaline, it's okay, like $6 for 4 of those. Maybe 7, but it's not gonna last. And typically the good ones, you'll get a 2500 milliamp hour. Now the expensive part is the batteries, and they are heavy because you need 4 of them. So you unscrew the bottom. I already put 4 here, and I went on to Amazon and I got these Power Owl 1.2 volts, 10,000 milliamp hour for one of them. And so when you put them in, just making sure it matches what the polarity is. That's marked inside one of these engraving. And so when I look at this, so this is kind of like in series, and these are, yeah, it's not convenient, but you screwed it tight. Now it's ready, and here is the flap for the USB port, so you can either use this to charge your devices or vice versa. I think, actually I'm not sure. I don't think I can charge the battery back inside. I don't think so. It might not have the circuit to do it. It get a handle on the top, so you can hook it onto some railings, but you need a hook. You go to dollar store and get one of these S hook and hang it up like that. But it's quite heavy because of 4 of these batteries. I think they weighed about 2 pounds. I'm not so sure, but hear me out. I bought these power out batteries. Alright, 10,000 milliamp, and I got 4 of these, but these are 1.2 volts. So I went online and checked what is the LED voltage or watts it's going to use. 1,000 lumen, it's probably around 15 watts. 15 watts divided by 1.2 volt, power equals VI. The current is probably 1.25 amp, and now I got 10 amp per battery, a 10 amp hour, right? So 10 divided by 1.25, you got probably 8 hours per battery, and now I got 4 batteries, so 8, 4, 32. That's 32 hours at maximum 1000 lumen. So that's pretty good. And over here the box says if I am using 1000 lumens, I get 12 hours of usage. And that's probably based on your normal alkaline battery, which is 2500 milliamp hour. So 4 of those is 10,000 milliamp hour. So it's equivalent to 1 of those batteries that I bought, the Power Owl. I'm not paid by Power Owl, but they just happen to be the cheapest that I found on Amazon. You can Google it, but I have yet to really test if they are really gonna last that long. But I mean, so far so bright. Sorry. And so if I'm using just the normal one, right? So it's 10 amp hour. And let's say it's 15 watts, and alkaline battery is 15 volts, so that's 1 amp. And then I have 10 amp divided by 1 amp, so I got 10 hours. So that's pretty close to 12 hours. And then 1000 lumen is not like super bright. It would lit up a room about, I don't know, 10 by 10 square foot. So maybe just for normal use, you use the second settings, which is the 250 lumen right here. Oops. Which lasts you, I don't know, 4 times, 5 times more. So in terms of emergency usage, yeah, definitely have 2 of these at home in case of power outage. So this thing here is plastic. However, this ring here, this orange ring, seems to be some aluminum. It feels cold to the touch, but that's about it. It's supposed to be waterproof, so you can leave it out during camping, and if it rains, it won't short circuit it. IPX4 is what it is. IPX4. See that cloud symbol there? Yeah, I really hope you can just charge back, but it doesn't charge the stuff inside, because how would it know if you have alkaline batteries, right? So you're just gonna charge your device instead. So, which is not bad. So now that I have, what, 4 amp hour of battery in there, yeah, that's plenty for devices, small devices. So, yes, I hope this review will help you out to decide whether you want to buy this or not. Yeah, see you next time.